In 2010, Doterra started Healing Hands, a charitable foundation that invests in developing communities where Doterra sources their essential oils.
Wow. Thank you.
As all of you know, when we go in to a place like Somalia or like Somaliland, we want to give back. We always do this, right?
Sanag Specialty Hospital, built in 2021 in partnership with their sourcing partner Asimedi, is one example of Doterra trying to give back.
In our first month, we saw 2,000 patients there. Everything you can imagine. And just many miracles have already happened, have already taken place.
They also claim to have built 2 boarding schools in the region.
We built the first school in Udawain in Somaliland in 2015. The second school we built in Childebur in the next year in 2016.
Doterra still boasts that it's built a boarding school in a remote village called El Dibir, but the locals there say there's no such thing, so we're currently on a 13-hour drive to reach this small community to find out the truth. El Dibir is made up of just 50 families, all from the same clan, each one financially reliant on the frankincense trade. Salam. Faisal Abukur Hassan is the village chief. With the support of clan elders, he oversees every aspect of life, from helping solve disputes to making sure his people can access healthcare and education. So this is El Dibir.
It's El Dibir.
It's very small.
It's very small village here.
So is there anywhere that a school could be hidden here that we wouldn't know there's a school?
You can go up at this small hill and you can look around. There is no hidden school.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. I have a question for you all. Is there a boarding school here in El Dibir?
No.
Do you know that there is an American company that says that it's funded a boarding school here? Have you heard about that?
waxaanu ka maqalay idaacadahaasaan ka maqalay isagoo beena ugu tawo waxaasaan ka maqalay dhulka
meedhiyuun baanu ka maqlay
waxaanu ka maqalay markaasaanu shir jiraayadana la qabanay oo nidhi ma jiro
waxaan qaadanaa maadadii carabiga ahayd alluqatu alcarabiya waxaan imika waa wankii oo kale marka lagu dhawaaqayna xonaysaa waaxid.
So this is the main school for the village?
Yeah, this is the main school for El Dibir, which there are 2 classes we built in 2006, and this is the children. This is the only main school in El Dibir.
In 2016, Faisal Hassan learned Doterra was putting the El Dibir boarding school in a promotional video. He contacted the company because the school hadn't been built, and he was concerned their money had been stolen. Doterra responded saying, quote, "Our staff has personally visited both of these schools constructed in Urwain, so we're well aware of their existence and the prudent use of resources for their construction." End quote. Urwain is 320 miles from El Dibir. While there's no reason to believe the schools there were not built, Doterra never acknowledged El Dibir and did not respond to our specific question about the missing school. Doterra's supplier Asimedi started buying resin from the families in El Dibir around 8 years ago. Harvesters like Adan Mira Ahmed say middlemen for Asimedi promised him a large payout if they stopped selling to other suppliers. Then, 2 years later, the company stopped doing business in the village, saying the resin was low quality. What impact did that have when they decided to stop purchasing from you?
والله سوي إنه يعني ده بيسأل أنت أديكوا واحد سحرنتو ده وصوك على الدلقاء
Late in the market. The chief blames one man for this, Asimedi's owner, Barkat Hassan.
marka hadduu maqlo ninkani dad baa meesha yimi cid agencies oo isaga ka mid ah oo wakiilo abu soo diraya 8 iyo 7 kiiloogiiba siiyo buu odhanaya si uu dadka macaamiisha ah uu yidhaahdo anugun baa idin siinaya asli mayduun beeyada ka iibsada ha aadinina dadka localka iyo gobollada ha aadinina buu odhanaya anaa idinka iibinaya.
So you're basically saying in order for regular trade to resume here, Barkat Hassan is a problem and he needs to be taken out of the industry.
waxaan taa kula talin lahaa dawladdu inay ninkaa ka qaado liisanka wax dhoofinta sababtoo ah danta dadka ku jirta.
Harvesters, villagers, clan elders and others here say Hassan is trying to control